Is taking too many supplements really risky? Vitamin supplements are so common these days. It is a booming business and isn't subject to very strict rules. So even startups may sell supplements as long as they follow drug making guidelines and use the right ingredients. That said, can you take too many supplements? If yes, what are the risks to your health? If you're taking vitamin supplements now, there are upsides and downsides to it. One upside is to combat nutrient deficiency when you're not getting enough from the food you eat. A fast paced world tends to cut down one's ability to find or make healthy meals. Another reason is to close nutrient gaps, especially for those who aren't getting a lot of sunlight. Vitamin D supplements attempt to close the gap to avoid health problems due to vitamin D deficiency. Just because these supplements can close the gaps, it doesn't mean you should depend on them and ignore the downsides. First, the rules that define what supplements are. According to NIH Office of Dietary Supplements, the U.S. Dietary Supplement Health and Education Act of 1994 defines supplements as products, excluding tobacco, that are intended to supplement diet. It contains one or more dietary ingredients, such as vitamins, minerals, herbs, and amino acids or their constituents. Such supplements are intended to be taken by mouth as a pill, capsule, tablet, or liquid and must be labeled as a dietary supplement. So the rule isn't that strict other than using the right ingredients and labeling it as a supplement. When a company launches such an item in its product lineup, there's no guarantee that its supplement will safely work on all people of all ages. Here's an extra. The US FDA regulates dietary supplements as foods, not as drugs. The agency doesn't approve these products before they're sold or marketed, so the discretion is up to consumers. You're largely responsible for dosing and the number of intakes per day. Let's say you took too many vitamin supplements for several days. What could possibly happen? People with health conditions, aware or not, are at risk. Those with hemochromatosis, an inherited condition of iron buildup, will likely reach toxic iron levels if they're not careful with iron supplements. Potassium is important to the kidneys, but if you combine potassium from food and supplements, people with chronic kidney disease will likely develop abnormal levels of potassium in their blood. Even healthy people may experience headaches, dizziness, diarrhea, and weakness just by taking too many vitamin supplements. The usual vitamin overdue includes vitamin D, iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium. There's nothing wrong with taking supplements once per day, but it's always better to check with your doctors, especially if you have a condition. What supplements are you taking? Is your healthcare provider aware of it? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.
Thank you.